is designed to give orientation for the campus coordinator as to how he or she can make sure that all the instructors teaching classes using EducaSoft are in the system. And number two, how to assign classes to those instructors for this term. Now the screen that you see in front of you right now is basically your login screen. First time you log into EducaSoft, you will see the screen. In order to do your campus coordinator role, on the right hand top position of the screen, you will see a icon or a link, CC View. CC stands for Campus Coordinator. If you click on that, you will be on a screen that gives you all the functionality that you are supposed to do as a campus coordinator. All right? We were talking of the instructors. Look on the top bar. All the white text material on top of, what color is this?
Orange.
Huh?
Orange.
On top of orange background, they are the main functions of the campus coordinator. Let us see the instructor's function. If you click on instructor, you'll see all the list of the instructors that are in your system, that is in our system, EducaSoft, right now. You scroll through this, and make sure that all the instructors teaching classes this semester, this term, are all there and listed over here. Second column is the email address of the instructor. The right one. It is not fake, because this is the email that students will be contacting the instructor. And of course, on the right side, you have so many other functionality. You can edit the instructor, his name or his email or spell check and so on. Or you can delete if the instructor is not in your institution. Or you can deactivate, that means he will not be allowed to do anything on EducaSoft if you don't like that instructor, without deleting him. So this is the list. So the first thing is for you to verify that all the instructors teaching classes this semester, they are in the system. And this is how you will check. If there is some instructor who is not in the system and you have to assign some classes to him, so obvious choice will be go on the right hand top and click on Add Instructor. Click on Instructor. Click on Add Instructor, right here, Add Instructor. So, you will see a small profile page where you need to add the profile of the instructor. You can ignore the time zone, that is taken care of by the system by itself. Email ID, the real email ID of the instructor. And to confirm, you can copy and paste over here or retype it. Confirm, password. By default, you can give the password welcome to be consistent throughout. That every new instructor that you add, you can give them a password of welcome. That means when they log in first time with welcome password, they log in and then they can change it themselves. To begin with, it should be welcome. And then all the asterisk marked fields has got to be filled up. But the most important fields are the email, the password, the first name and the last name. All other fields you can just put in dummy information to be fast and quick. And after that you click on save. So that will add the student in the system. Usual thing that you face while adding instructor is that when you save it, it gives a message that the instructor is already in the system. Now that means that that email that you use for that instructor is being used already in the system, either by him in a different capacity or by somebody else. Therefore, you need to change that email address and then resave it to save the instructor in the system. Now this is how you add the instructor. Now for the time being, this is only a demo.